Good morning, my dear students. Today we are going to discuss about graphs in trigonometry. Tomorrow we are going to discuss about matrices. Okay, students. Right now, today only graphs. Okay. So, dear students, tomorrow we will discuss matrices. Are very important topics. They are asking minimum 2 questions from JEE Mains and advanced also. Okay, students. Right now, draw the graph of sin x, cos x, tan x, cot x, okay, cosecant x and secant x. Dear students, the first sin x. So, in between minus pi to pi, dear students, first we take x axis. This is the region 3 pi. After then pi. Is it clear, students? Now this is minus pi. So in between, this is the y-axis. Dear students, y dash. This is x and x dash. So students, first we are taking in between 0 to pi 90. This is 3 pi by 2. This is the 5 pi by 2. Okay, students. Now this is minus of 90. Sin 0, 0. Sin 90 is the 1. Okay, students. Sin 90 is the 1. Sin pi 0. Just you have to find the values. Dear students, this is minus 1. Sin 3 pi by 2 is the minus 1. Sin 2 pi is the 0. Again, sin pi by 2 is the 1. Sin 3 pi 0. So students, sin minus 90 minus 1, sin pi 0. So students, this is the graph of sin x. Okay, students, what we observed here, sin 0, 0, sin pi 0, sin 2 pi 0, sin 3 pi 0, sin pi 0. Okay, so my dear students, this is defined for any real value for x. So the domain is R. The domain of the function R. But range is the students. The range of the sin x is the minus 1 to 1. What is the students? The range of the sin x is minus 1 to 1. This is what? 1. This is minus 1. The range is lies in y-axis. Okay, domain is lies on x-axis. Dear students, what we observed here. Suppose if you take just one more observation, students. This is concave of this down. So again, suppose if you are taking this one, suppose students. So what we observed, what is the region here? This is complete region. What is the difference is 2 pi. What is the students? 2 pi. Suppose what is this region? This is the 4 pi. 4 pi minus 2 pi. So once you can observe, students. First, this difference is the 2 pi. This is up, this is down, concave up and concave down here. This is also same up and down. Then you are taking this is a pi, this is 2 pi. So this is the called as from the diagram that is called period. We have to know that the period of sin x is 2 pi. So this is 2 pi minus 0. Again, the diagram will repeat 2 pi to 4 pi. After that 4 pi to 6 pi. Is it clear, students? But they are asking only here minus pi to 3 pi. That's why just you are taking up to 3 pi. This is the graph. Suppose if you don't know the any value, suppose student 5 pi by 2 is there. How to find sin 5 pi by 2? My dear students, just you can write 2 pi minus 2 pi plus 5 by 2. What is region, students? 2 2s are 4. 4 pi plus 5 pi. This is the first quadrant, undoubtedly sin pi by 2. What is the value? 1. So sin of 5 by 2. Sin of 5 pi by 2 is the 1. Okay, students, this is the graph of the y equal to sin x. Domain is the R and the range is the minus 1 to 1. So students, now we are going to discuss about the cos x. So dear students, right now cos x. So first you are taking This is what horizontal line with the x-axis. This is minus pi and pi, 2 pi up to 3 pi. Dear students, horizon. So this is x-axis, x dash, y dash. This is 1, this is minus 1. So this is a 90. We have to know that minus 90. This is the students 3 pi by 2. This is what? 5 pi by 2. So students, cos 0 1, cos 90 0, cos 180 minus 5, cos of 3 pi by 2, that will be 0, cos 2 pi 1, cos 5 pi by 2 0, cos 3 pi minus 1. Is it clear, students? So next one, students, cos of 90 is 0, cos of minus theta, cos theta. After then cos of 5 minus 1. So students, so dear students, just you observe here. This is also students, all of you observe. Suppose, my dear students, suppose we are taking like this one up and down. When we are taking the students up and down, 3 pi by 2 minus pi by 2, that is also 2 pi. 3 pi by 2 minus of minus plus. Undoubtedly 3 pi by 2 minus of minus plus pi by 2, that is 4 pi by 2. So like this, students, suppose if you are taking here, this is undoubtedly 7 pi by 2. 7 pi by 2, this is the up, this is the down, up and down. Therefore, this is the what, students? Undoubtedly this is 3 pi by 2. This is 7 pi by 2. 7 pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 2. That is the 4 pi by 2. So that's why the period is the 2 pi. Dear students, what we observed here, the domain is, it is defined for any real number, same. We observe the range is the minus 1 to 1. What is the students? Domain is the R, range is the students minus 1 to 1. This is the graph of the, what is the student? Cos x. Suppose if you don't know cos pi pi by 2, just you have to find. That is cos of 2 pi plus pi by 2. In first quadrant all are positive. Therefore cos of 90. Dear students, cos of pi by 2 equal to 0. Is it clear, students? Now we are going to discuss about tan x. Okay. Now students, tan x. So dear student, this is minus 5, this is 0, this is pi. My dear students, this is 2 pi, this is 3 pi. So students, this is minus of pi by 2, this is pi by 2, this is 3 pi by 2, this is 5 pi by 2. So what we observe, students, psi, this is the positive x-axis 90, psi, what is the students? Tan 90 infinity, tan of 3 pi by 2 infinity, tan of 5 pi by 2 infinity. So dear students, just now we observed tan 0 0, tan 90 infinity, yes, tan of minus infinity minus infinity. This is the graph. So dear students, when you observe tan is increasing function in between 0 to 90, tan 0 0, tan 30, tan 45 1, tan 30 1 by root 3, tan 60 root 3, tan 90 infinity. So what is the graph is the students? This is. And another graph is the tan 180 0. Tan pi 0. So like this. What is the period, student? Just you can observe. This is the range. This is the difference. Minus of minus plus. Therefore, pi by 2, pi by 2. That is pi. Suppose, student, just you can difference of these. 3 pi by 2 minus pi by 2. 2 pi by 2. That is also pi. Suppose 2 pi is the 0. Like this. So just 5 pi by 2, 3 pi by 2. 5 pi by 2 minus 3 pi by 2 also pi. So students, this is How to observe, student? This is the graph of, what is the students? Graph of the tan x in between 0 to, what is the students? In between minus pi by 2, 3 pi. Minus pi to 3 pi. Is it clear, students? Minus pi to 3 pi. So what we observe, students? Tan 0, 0. Same as tan 180, 0. Sin also. Tan 2 pi 0, tan 3 pi 0. Dear students, tan n pi 0 when n belongs to z. Tan n pi value is the 0 where n belongs to z. Similarly, sin also, sin n pi 0 where n belongs to z. But cos is the cos odd multiple of 90 0. That means cos 90, cos 3 pi by 2, cos pi by 2, cos 7 pi by 2, 0. But cos even pi 1, cos odd pi minus 1. What is the students? Cos 0 1, cos 2 pi 1, cos 4 pi 1, cos 6 pi 1, but cos pi minus 1, cos 3 pi minus 1, cos pi minus 1. So our observation is for cos theta, cos even pi is the 1, even multiple of pi is 1, but the cos of odd multiple of pi is minus 1. Cos is the 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Cos odd multiple of pi by 2 is undoubtedly 0. But sin is sin n pi 0. Is it clear, students? Sin n pi 0. Okay? Sin pi by 2 1, sin 3 pi by 2 minus 1, sin pi by 2 plus 1. They will come plus 1 minus 1 plus 1 minus 1. Okay? Right now we are going to discuss about what is the students. This is what is the students. You can observe here the range is R, but the domain is, it is undefined for 90, yes, 3 pi by 2 plus 5 pi by 2. Therefore, domain is the students R minus of 2n plus 1 into pi by 2 where n belongs to z, but the range is minus infinity to infinity. Minus infinity to infinity is nothing but range. The range is the R, but the domain is on the x-axis. On the x-axis, therefore minus 90, 90, pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, 7 pi by 2, odd multiple of 90, undefined. So the tan x is undefined for odd multiple of 90. That means the domain is the R minus of 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Range is the R. Okay, students? Dear students, right now y equal to secant x. We are taking y equal to secant x. Cos 0 1, secant 0 is also 1. Cos 90 0, but secant 90. What is the students? Secant, what is the students? Cos 90 0. So dear students, secant 90 undefined. Okay students, but cos pi value, we know that minus 1. Secant pi is also minus 1. Dear students, odd multiple of 90 undefined. Since students cos 90 0, here also this is the student cos 90 0, therefore secant 90 undefined. My dear students, what we observed here, cos 0 1, yes, cos 0 1, but cos 60 1 by 2 like this. This is 1. All are positive values. But cos 90 is 0. Dear students, when you can observe, this is. When you observe students, cos 0 1. Suppose you are taking the 60, cos 60 1 by 2. That is 0.5. So similarly, up to cos 90. Up to cos 90 undefined. That's why the graph of above 1. Yes. What is the students? What is the student? Cos of 60 1 by 2. But secant 60 is the 2. Undoubtedly that is above 1. Suppose cos 60 value, cos 30 value root 3 by 2. But this is 2 by root 3. Undoubtedly this is also greater than 1. So my dear students, suppose we know that cos 45 1 by root 2. Secant 45 is the root 2. That is 1 point. For 45 you are taking 1.414. So dear student, similarly cos of minus theta is also cos theta, secant of minus theta also secant theta. Now students, what we observe, so that is cos of pi minus 1 like this. These are all values, remaining values. In between the students, what we observe, in between pi to 3 pi by 2, cos values are negative. This is also students second quadrant. 90 to 92 pi. We know that those all angles are lies between second quadrant. That's why also this is also negative. My dear students, cos even pi plus 1. Secant even pi is also plus 1. Cos 2 pi plus 1 like this. So my dear students, cos of 3 pi minus 1. This is the graph. Okay students, just how to observe here. My dear students, cos of minus pi, undoubtedly, cos of minus pi is minus 1. Yes, cos of minus pi is the minus 1, just like this. This is the graph of, dear student, don't extension this one. So up to we have to find only the minus pi. So is it clear students? So this is the graph of in between minus pi to 3 pi. Okay students, this is the graph. First one, this one, down, yes, this is what. So this is also student, this is the graph of the secant x. So all of you complete the remaining cosecant x and cot x. Okay students, in between minus pi to 3 pi only. What we observe students, the domain, what values of x is undefined, 90, 3 pi to 5 pi by 2, minus pi by 2, minus 3 pi by 2. So that is nothing but domain is the r minus of 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Range is the students up to plus infinity, minus infinity, but 1 and minus 1 are there. So dear students, we can written as minus infinity to minus 1 union 1 to infinity. What is the students? Minus infinity to minus 1 union 1 to infinity. That is the range. Is it clear students? The range is the, just you can observe, minus infinity to, what is the student? This is minus infinity to minus 1. What is that? Here plus infinity to 1. This is also plus infinity to 1. This is minus infinity to minus 1. So this is nothing but range. And also the same as cosecant x, the domain is r minus of n pi. Domain is the different but range is the same. Minus infinity to minus 1 union 1 to infinity. Okay students, at the same time the domain of the cot x is r minus of n pi. What is the students? R minus of n pi. Range is the student r. Okay student, that is the cot x. Okay. Now students, draw the graph of y equal to cos square x in between 0 to pi. My dear students, we have to know that cos 0 1, cos 90 value is the 0, cos pi is the minus 1. What is the students? Cos pi is the minus 1. Minus 1 whole square is the plus 1. So students, cos 0 1, cos 90 0, cos pi is the minus 1 square is the plus 1. So students, this is the graph of cos square x. So what? The range of the cos square x is the 0 to 1 only. Is it clear students? Write down. Now student, draw the graph of y equal to cot x in the interval 30 to 150. So students, cos 30 root 3, y equal to cot x is there. My dear students, the cot 30 is the root 3. Since tan 30 is the 1 by root 3, cot 30 is the root 3. Tan 90 infinity, cot 90 0. This is the students cot of pi minus pi by 6. In second quadrant is cot is the negative, that is cot of pi by 6. Again minus root 3. My dear students, now draw the graph in between pi by 6 to pi by 6. So write down students, what is this? This is x-axis. Yes students, this is the 30. So my dear students, this is the 30, 60, 90. 90 plus 30, 120, 120 plus 30, 150. This is the pi by 6. Is it clear students? First you can take 30, after then 60, 90, 120, 150. So students, what is the value? Root 3. Suppose this is 1, root 3 is the 1.732. This is also students, minus of root 3. So students, this is root 3. Cot of 90 is 0. This is minus root 3. So students, this is the graph. Just 1 minute students. The graph is this one, like this. So 1 minute students. This is the graph. This is the 90. Is it clear students? This is the graph of. Just you can write curve shape only. This is the minus root 3. This is the root 3. This is 90. Okay students? My dear students, y equal to cos 2x is there. Cos 90, therefore these are the values of 0. 45, 45 plus 45, 90. 90 plus 45, 135. After that 5. So what is there? Y equal to, what is the students? Y equal to cos of 2x, cos 0, 1. When you can take 45, 2 into 45, 90, cos 90 value is 0. So this is the students, when you are take x equal to 90, 2 cancel. Cos pi value is the minus 1. This is the 2 into 3 pi by 4. 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja. Cos of 3 pi by 2, 0. Suppose students x equal to pi, cos 2 pi value is the 1. Cos 2 pi value is the 1. Is it clear students? Cos 2 pi. Suppose if you know that cos even multiple of pi, that is 1. Cos odd multiple of pi, that is 0. So students, suppose if you forget it, cos 2 pi, that can be written as, how to write, 270 plus 30. What is the students? 270 plus 30, cos of 2 pi. Cos of 270 plus theta, fourth quadrant, that will be sin. Now students, the graph of this function is, how to write this is, first is 0, y-axis, maximum value 1, minimum value minus 1. This is negative y-axis, this is positive x-axis. So first pi by 4, pi by 2, 3 pi by 4, this is pi. So students, what we observed, cos 0, 1, cos pi by 4, 0, cos pi by 2, minus 1, cos 3 pi by 4, 0, cos 2 pi is the 1. So students, this is the graph. Is it clear students? When you observe cos 3 pi by 4 means, when you can substitute 2 into 3 pi by 4 is the 90. Here pi by 4 into 2, 90. Cos 90 is 0. Cos 3 pi by 2, 0. After that cos of 5 pi by 4, 0. That means 2 into pi by 4, 5 pi by 2. Okay students? Write down. Dear student, draw the graph of y equal to sin 2x in between minus pi to pi. So students, this is 0, pi by 4, 90, 3 pi by 4. Like this is also students minus of pi by 4, sin 0, 0. My dear students, sin 45, 2 into 45, that is 1. After that student, pi by 2, that means 2 into pi by 2 pi, that is 0. 3 pi by 2 minus 1, this is 2 into pi, 2 pi, 0. So students, sin 0, 0, sin pi by 2, that means that is pi. Undoubtedly, dear students, here minus of pi by 4 is there. Undoubtedly students, how can you write this is? Dear students, what we observed, minus of sin of minus theta, minus sin theta. This will be undoubtedly minus 1. This is minus pi, 0. Dear student, this is minus of 3 pi by 2. 3 pi by 2 value is the minus 1, minus of minus plus. Sine of 2 pi is 0. So students, this is the graph of y equal to sine 2x in the interval minus pi to pi. Y equal to sine 2x. Okay students, y equal to sine 2x in the interval minus pi to pi. Write down students. Now students, another graph y equal to sin x y equal to sin x and y equal to cos x in the interval 0 to pi. What is the students? All of you find 0 to pi. Okay, first you can draw the sin x, after then cos x. Okay students. So, my dear student, draw the graph of y equal to sin x and y equal to cos x. Okay. Dear students, what we observe students, this is 0, this is what 5, this is 90, maximum value 1, minimum value is the minus 1. So first sin x, sin 0, 0. What is the student? Sin 0, 0. Sin 90, 1. Sin pi 0. Is it clear students? Draw the graph of first sin x in between 0 to pi. Sin 0, 0. Sin 91. Sin pi 0. So students, this is the graph of y equal to sin x. Sin 0, 0, sin 91, sin pi 0. Now students, you can write cos x, cos 0, 1, cos 90, 0, cos pi minus 1. So students, this is the students undoubtedly this is the graph of, what is the student? This is the graph of y equal to sin x and y equal to cos x in the interval 0 to pi. This is the students y equal to cos x. Okay students, write down. Dear students, draw the graph of y equal to root 2 into sin of x plus pi by 4. Sin of x plus pi by 4 in the interval minus pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. What is the students? Minus pi by 4 to 3 pi by 4. So dear students, how to draw the graph? Y equal to root 2 into sin of x plus pi by 4. Sin of x plus pi by 4. Dear students, this is the graph. First there was given that minus of pi by 4. This is 0. Undoubtedly, this is the students y dash. This is pi by 4. This is 90. This is 3 pi by 4 up to pi. So students, what we observe, what we are taking the x values are, the x is the student first minus pi by 4. What is the student? First we are taking minus pi by 4. What is the students? minus pi by 4 plus pi by 4 0, sin 0 0. 0 into root 2 0. After that students 0. So when we are taking the 0, sin of 45 1 by root 2 cancel, that will be 1. After that students pi by 4. When we are taking the pi by 4, my dear students, pi by 4 plus pi by 4 90, sin 90 value 1, that is root 2. After that students pi by 2. This is the students, you can observe sin 90 plus theta. Sin of 90 plus theta lies in second quadrant, sin is positive. Sin 90 plus theta is the cos theta. Cos 45 is the 1 by root 2 cancel 1. Okay students. After that student 3 pi by 4. The 3 pi by 4 plus pi by 4, that is 4 pi by 4. 4 pi by 4, that is 4 cancel. That is the students, what that is? When you can take 3 pi by 4 plus pi by 4, 4 pi by 4, that is sin pi. Sin pi value is the 0. Finally is there pi. So dear students, sin of, everybody know that the sin of 180 plus theta, sin of 180 plus theta minus sin theta, minus 45, sin of minus 45 minus 1 by root 2 cancel minus 1. So students, up to we are taking this is today, this is also root 2 is there, undoubtedly students, is there minus 1. First, this is 0. Minus pi by 4 0. After that students 0 1. Pi by 4 is the root 2. Again students 90. Pi by 4 root 2. 90 is the 1. After that students 3 pi by 4 is 0. This is what? Minus 1. So students 3 pi by 4 up to we are taking the only 3 pi by 4 is there. Don't take this one. Is there 3 pi by 4? So this is what students we observed. This is the graph. Okay, dear students. Minus of pi by 4 0. 0 is the 1. Yes. Pi by 4 is the root 2. Root 2 and 90 is the 1. Yes. Undoubtedly we are taking 90 like this. This is the 1 parallel. Therefore 90. After that 3 pi by 4 is the 0. Okay students. This is the graph of y equal to, my dear student, this is the graph of y equal to root 2 into sin of x plus pi by 4. My dear students, in inverse trigonometry, sin inverse of sin x, cos inverse of cos x, tan inverse of tan x, and sin inverse of cos x, those graphs are there after completion of at the time of inverse trigonometric functions. Undoubtedly, I will explain in that time. Okay, right now, these are enough for the graphs for trigonometric functions. What is the student domain of sin x? R. Range is minus 1 to 1. Domain of cos x is R. Range is minus 1 to 1. Domain of tan x is R minus of 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Range is the students R. The domain of the cot x is the students R minus of n pi, range R. But the domain of the students cosecant x is R minus n pi, range is the minus infinity to minus 1 union 1 to infinity. Domain of the secant x is the students R minus of 2n plus 1 into pi by 2. Range is the minus infinity to minus 1 union 1 to infinity. Okay students, these are enough. Again at the time of inverse trigonometry, again we will draw the graphs, sin inverse of sin x, cos inverse of cos x, and tan inverse of tan x. Okay students, this is today's students. Tomorrow we are going to discuss about matrices. Okay, thank you all.